Welcome to Floravive, your destination for glowing, youthful skin naturally. Did you know that after the age of 25, your skin starts losing about 1% of its natural collagen every single year? That's the reason fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging appear much faster than we expect. But what if I told you that nature has gifted us 9 powerful oils that not only slow down this aging process but also boost collagen naturally, making your skin youthful, radiant, and firm again? Stay with me till the end, because these oils are the real secret to timeless beauty. Collagen is the protein that keeps our skin tight, smooth, and glowing. But with age, stress, pollution, and poor lifestyle, collagen production slows down. When collagen levels drop, our skin becomes thin, dry, and wrinkled. This is where natural oils come in. These oils are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids that protect your skin, repair damage, and signal your body to produce more collagen. Let's explore the 9 most powerful collagen-boosting oils and how to use them effectively for anti-aging. Rosehip Oil. Rich in vitamin A and C, which directly stimulate collagen, fades scars, pigmentation, and reduces fine lines. How to use. Apply 2 to 3 drops at night on clean, damp skin. Coconut oil. Deeply hydrates and prevents water loss from skin. Protects collagen fibers from breaking down. How to use. Massage a thin layer before bed, avoid if acne prone. Argan oil. Loaded with vitamin E and essential fatty acids. Restores skin elasticity and reduces sagging. How to use. Mix 2 drops with aloe vera gel for a natural day serum. Castor oil. Contains ricinoleic acid, which deeply penetrates the skin. Plumps fine lines and smooths wrinkles. How to use. Apply a thin layer under eyes and on lines overnight. See Buckthorn Oil. Use. Apply 2 drops mixed with a carrier oil daily. Best for repairing damaged skin, collagen boost, and reducing pigmentation. Tip. Add a few drops into your DIY face mask for rejuvenation. Jojoba Oil. Use. Apply daily as a light moisturizer, morning and night. Best for balancing skin oils, reducing fine lines, and locking hydration. Tip. Mix with Frankincense Oil for a natural anti-aging blend. Frankincense Oil. Use. Always dilute 2 drops in 1 teaspoon jojoba, argan oil, and apply on face at night. Best for tightening skin, reducing wrinkles, and lifting sagging areas. Tip. Dab diluted mix on forehead lines and laugh lines for targeted results. Pomegranate Seed Oil. Use. Massage 2 to 3 drops daily on face and neck. Best for stimulating new skin cells, repairing sun damage. Tip. Add into your night cream for extra anti-aging boost. Marula Oil. Rich in amino acids and vitamin E, keeps skin soft, hydrated, and wrinkle-free. How to use. Apply 3 to 4 drops at night or use as a makeup primer. Extra tip. DIY anti-aging serum. For best results, combine 2 teaspoons jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon rosehip oil, 1 teaspoon argan oil, 2 to 3 drops frankincense oil. Store in a dark glass bottle and use 3 to 4 drops daily as your anti-aging serum. These 9 oils are nature's most powerful defense against aging. They don't just hydrate your skin, they repair, rejuvenate, and help rebuild collagen naturally. Start using them regularly, and you'll notice your skin becoming firmer, brighter, and years younger. Which oil are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. Thanks for watching Floravive, where timeless beauty begins with healthy skin.